Oh, I think you love it.
Look how big that thing is.
Oh, she's okay.
Open it up. I want to help her. Me too.
Hey, no. Let's let Bitsy do it. Let her do it. Let her do it.
We were helping her.
Okay, well, let her do her own from now on. Juju, give it to her.
It's Juju's turn.
Okay, guys, don't ever open up someone else's present for them, okay?
What is that?
Oh, you like it?
Aww.
Would you like that?
This is the best Christmas ever! It doesn't have a long neck.
We'll call it
You wanna open
Nana.
This one?
What?
This is from
Hmm?
Nana and Grandpa Rusty.
She said, what?
Nana will understand.
Here, I'll pop open the thing and then you pull it out, okay?
Oh, you got paper! Yay! More paper! You're such a good, lucky girl. Is there anything else?
More paper.
Oh, wow.
What is it? What is it?
Go sit down, she'll hold it up.
It's brave!
What?
Wow!
Take the little thing off. No.
Wait till everyone.
What do you think?
Hold her up. Yay!
All right.
Thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
Oh,
All right, I guess Gracie's already on.
Gracie's on the prowl.
Oh, that's so cute.
Turn it around. Turn it around.
Turn it around and see what it looks like, Gracie.
Ooh, pretty.
Oh.
Flamingo.
What do you say?
It's my turn. More stuff. No more.
Oh, I
Okay,
guess
what do
Christmas
you
is over.
say?
Thank you.
All right, Anna, it's your turn.
Wait, it's my turn.
Wait just a second, Juju. Your turn will come back around.
Oh! What is that?
A unicorn.
Awesome!
Oh, wow.
Guys, look at that. It's pretty
That's
full.
awesome.
It's so pretty full.
Pretty full. You just made up a good new word, didn't you?
Yeah.
You like it, Anna?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's so pretty flower.
What?
I want to call it flower.
That's a
All
good
right,
name.
it's a good name.
Because it has flowers all around.
What do you think,
It's the tag,
Bitsy?
it's the tag.
You like it?
Do you want to open another one, Bitsy?
I took the tag off all by myself.
Whoa, big girl. I can
Mom,
take
I took the tag off all by myself.
Good job.
I can take any tags off you want too, okay?
This is from Uncle Christopher. Yep, Uncle Christopher. Here, I'll get it started for you.
Who wants to feel this?
I do.
I want to. First,
It's not your
Gracie.
turn, it's Bitsy's turn.
It's so soft, Papa.
Oh, wow.
Then Bitsy, I'm going to let Bitsy feel this.
Ooh.
You can feel it now.
Oh, it is so
Open
soft.
it.
Bitsy,
Anna,
what
you're
do you
so
have in there?
nice to let everyone feel your unicorn.
Oh, look at this little thing is excited.
Is she quivering? What is that?
Pull it out.
Oh!